you doing? Not going to keep you long today. We're going to make a really simple salad. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So we've got cooked beetroot and cooked potatoes. I've got like 3 cups there. A little bit of salt and pepper. I've got some chopped cilantro or coriander. I've got some optional pickles. I've got like just a dill kind of burger pickle that I've chopped. Some flaked almonds. There's like 1 cup. And here I've got some tahina or tahini, which is a sesame seed paste. Really, really easy. Simply going to give that a mix. Get a bit of the old tahini on. Give it a mix. It's done. Okay, so I've got a mixing bowl here. Already, as you can see, I've got my beetroot and my potatoes in, along with the flaked almonds. You could use something different if you wanted, like some other nuts, crushed nuts, and the pickle there, the cucumber pickle. Let's get some salt and pepper in there. Just a little bit of that. Let's get our cilantro in, or coriander, whatever you call that. Lovely. Now, tahina. Let me get this open, and then simply we're going to give it a nice squeeze on. Fantastic flavour this is. That'll be enough. We're going to give that a little mix, then I'll be back. Okay, and there you go. Super, super easy. Lovely fresh little side salad. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.